Hi, I'm Luke Chartrand. I'm with Honeywell, and thank you for joining me. I will now show you a demo of our asset check-in checkout. So why is this important? So I talked in another video about creating a chain of custody and accountability for your mobile assets. Very important. And if a customer today doesn't have anything, that's a problem. Or if they have a manual way Excel spreadsheet, again, another problem. Or sometimes customers will use lockers, which is a solution, which is fine, could be costly. It takes up a lot of real estate. So this solution sits on the device. So I'm showing you right now is a remote. I remoted into my device. So it's showing you the what it would look like for your check-in. So a couple important things. Number one is this device is completely locked until I check it out. How do I check it out? I'll scan my employee badge. That's the easiest way. Yes, you could type in a password or a code or whatnot. And again, that's all configurable. But in short, typically we will scan in using a badge, a barcode. So I'm showing you a barcode. I will go ahead and scan that. So you'll hear that it scanned the barcode. It let me in. And at this point, two things. One is I could take additional notes. I could enter additional notes. So it's kind of like renting a car. So when you rent a car, you look at the vehicle, has it been scratched, damaged, whatnot, and you could report that back. Same thing. So with this device, if let's say the screen was cracked, but I could still use it, I might want to record that. Or if there's other issues, that could be recorded. The second thing I'm not showing here, but very important, is when you check out the device, you could set a rule that says, hey, before I let this employee go out, check the battery health of this device. And if it's under a certain threshold, don't let them use it. Have them change that device. So you'll see, it's probably a little bit hard to see, but on my device here, it's fully charged. But say that I set a rule that said under 75% that the battery it's charged, do not let this employee go out with that. So they could address the issue immediately. But in this case, the battery is fine. I don't have any additional notes. I will skip. And now the device is ready to be used. So where do I go from here? Anywhere the employee wants. They would typically maybe load up their WMS or web browser, again, whatever application from here. So real quick, I'll just go back to the main dashboard. I'll refresh my screen, and you'll see at the top right-hand side that the device has been signed out to me. So now I created that accountability, the chain of custody. So here's what's interesting. From here, the device could be, we could set up rules. So the system could be set up that says, hey, we know a shift runs from 9 to 5. So at 5 o'clock, or let's give the employees time. At 5:01, if all the devices are not returned, send a report and send the last known location that device was. But let's imagine, if you will, that I'm a good employee in this instance, and I will return my device. So I go back and I hit the check-in function. And at this point, again, I could collect notes. Cracked screen, application issues, no matter what. It's a freehand field. I will skip that and I will sign in the device. And now it knows that I returned this device, and the next day I'm entitled to take another device out. So two things: if I had not scanned this device, tomorrow or the next shift, I could not take out another device. And again, if I did not return this device in the allotted time, I would be put on a report, and the last known location of this device would be sent to my manager. Lastly, the splash screen comes up that says, don't forget to charge your device, and that's the end of the demo. Thank you.